This is the part 3 of the Somali alphabet revisited. We were reviewing those so that you get time to reflect and see what you got so far. If you haven't taken those lessons, you may go back and check out the earlier lessons in this same site. Alright, let's move on. In this lesson, we're gonna cover the vowels. We're gonna cover what? The vowels. The vowels are just easy. There are short vowels and long vowels. Short vowels are just like the English, so we'll not spend a lot of time in here. The only thing is that you know these 5 sounds, which are just as in English has been shown here. In Somali way, you can read after me. The letters are a, but, sa. Those are the examples. Hell, dig, I, here, sir, o, al, radol, o, ol, dun. Let us see now the long vowels. The longer vowels more or less sound like that of English. So, for example, we have a like bal, fan, ka. We have a like beg, fair, can. E as in bill, feed, kiss. O as in pour, fall, core. O as in pour, food, cool. Repeat after me. The first sound goes like this. Ah. Say ah. Say okay. Pal, fan, ka. Repeat after me. Bag, fair, can, bill, feed, kiss, bore, fall, core, pour, food, cool. So see how stretched the sounds are. You cannot shorten it. You just as in longer vowels, you have to spend some time stretching the vowels, like fan, ball, goes like that. Okay, let's move on and now see what do you call. Let's review the earlier sounds, the 5 typical sounds of Somali language that are not usually in the American or English language. So it goes like this: a, ha, kha, da, ga. A as in ag again, ha, harig, kha, khalad, 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 da, dul, qa, qor. Here, khalad is right, it's not wrong. There was in a word before in here. This card, it was khat, that was the ink. So how you can read kha, khalat. Okay, so you have seen already those sounds: a, ha, kha, da, ga. Let's combine some words into both groups, but we will do that in next lesson. Let's end up with this Somali wisdom of the day. Rafaadka raaxa ayaa ka dambaysay. Look at the longer vowels and shorter vowels. Rafaadka raaxo ayaa ka dambaysa. Success follows what? Hard work. That's almost in every culture, of course. And then what we'll see in the next lesson, we will see this. We will add the consonants, then we read. Yes, you can, yeah. You will be a Somali reader. All right. Until then, as always, nabadgelyo.